how to fix Uber Eats payment method declined. The first thing that we'll need to do is load up the Uber Eats application, and from here we're just going to click on account, which can be found in the bottom right corner. So from here we will be able to see an option called wallet, which can be found in the middle. So just click on wallet, and we'll have to update our payment information. So if you have not added any payment methods, we'll need to click on add payment method. Here, if you're using credit or debit card, you can use any of the other payment methods, or if you want to use credit or debit card again, you just select that option, and we'll just have to fill out our credit card number, the expiration date, as well as the CVV, which can be found at the back of our card. We will also need to select our country here, and you can see the little camera icon next to card number. If you click on it, then you can take a picture of your card and all of the fields will be filled out automatically. So I really hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.